Have you ever wondered what happens when two giants in the auto industry lock horns? Well, you're about to find out as we delve into the conflict between Minda Corporation and Pricol Limited. Our story begins when Minda Corporation, in the middle of last year, announced a decision to acquire a 15.7% stake worth 400 crore rupees in its rival, Pricol Limited. The move was brushed off by Minda as a simple investment, but the market speculated it was a hostile takeover. Pricol's top management was quick to respond, stating they had no plans of undertaking any secondary sales or raising equity capital. They were prepared to use all possible legal and financial means to prevent the deal. Fast forward to the present, where Minda Corporation has announced its intention to approach the Competition Commission of India, or CCI, about increasing its stakes up to 24.5%. Pricol, in response, filed a writ petition at the Madras High Court against Minda Corporation, challenging the latter's validity of application to the CCI. Under the Indian Competition Act, it is mandatory for the acquirer to obtain approval from CCI if a specified threshold based on the value of assets and turnover is crossed. This obligation applies to Minda Corporation, regardless of whether the deal is a hostile or friendly takeover. The obligation to notify creates a standstill, which means that Minda Corporation cannot acquire the share until approval. The primary issue that the CCI would consider is the impact of the acquisition on the market. The CCI looks at the market share of both parties in the deal and tries to determine whether the combined market share would lead to adverse effects for other competitors, buyers, and suppliers. Publicly available data suggests that Pricol currently holds over 50% market share in cluster parts, making this a crucial factor in the CCI's decision-making process. So, what have we learned today? We've seen how a proposed investment can lead to claims of a hostile takeover, how legal and financial means can be used to prevent such a takeover, and how the Competition Commission of India plays a vital role in maintaining fair competition in the market. As things stand, it's a waiting game as we anticipate the CCI's decision. Will it be a green light for Minda Corporation? Or will Pricol Limited manage to keep its rival at bay? Only time will tell.